Want ready-to-send WhatsApp campaigns from proven templates? Let's set up the WhatsApp template agent. From the Quick Hub dashboard, open Quick Agents, then the dashboard. Go to Agents and select WhatsApp Template Agent. Click Activate Agent, then Confirm to enable it. Choose Create New Profile. Enter a profile name, then click Save. Check your profile to confirm it's created and linked to the WhatsApp template agent. That's it. Your WhatsApp template agent is active. It will generate campaign drafts from templates based on your profile, so you can review and send in minutes.